Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the headlight restoration with RainX, and this is I bought from Walmart. It's around like $20, and let's check it out. What's inside? Oh, plenty of stuff. Okay, so this is the headlight buffing polish. This is the wipe for the sealant, and this is all scent like pads, all different. It has a 2 brown, 1 gray, 1 blue. So basically this 2 for 2 headlight, and this each for both headlight, I believe. And this one for the drill attachment. This is our gloves, and this one the polishing pad, and this one is instruction. Okay, so this is my lights. It's very bad. So you need the painter tape, and we need a drill. Also we need a water spray bottle.